In this video, I will show you how to simply add text in Photoshop. Let me show you how. First and first, come to the sidebar right here from the toolbar, click and hold down, and then you have different types of text that you can add in Photoshop. You can add horizontal type 2, vertical type 2, vertical type mask 2, horizontal type mask 2. We are going to explain them one after the other. First thing first, select horizontal type 2. Once you select horizontal type 2, then come to the workspace and click on once, and then you are ready to start typing. However, in this regard, you have background to be white, and then by the time you start typing, you won't be able to see anything. So as a result of that, it is advisable to change the text color. For that, click on your contextual taskbar. You can simply select color, boom, and then you have a color right here. If you cannot see your contextual taskbar appear in whatever you are doing in the text right here, what you need to do is to go to Window and make sure you look for contextual taskbar right here. Contextual taskbar. So make sure you activate it. Just like so. So you can see it's been active right here. Make sure you check that. So with that, you should be able to see something like this. Now from here, you can start to make your type. So this one here, you can see. So now we can start to make a type. Press Ctrl here, then we can type the name of my school. Just like so. Now, this is normal horizontal type 2. Then with your contextual taskbar, you can format and edit all the text. Press Ctrl A. You can decide to take the text into center right here. You can decide to take the text to right alignment text right here. Everything depends on what exactly you really want to achieve for the text. You can click on here and choose different font style right here. So just like so, you have all your fonts in right here. You can choose any one from these options right here. You can use this slide here to increase the font size and the text size as the case may be, or better still, you can come to the property sidebar right here and do different sort of things with your text right here, just like so. So this is for normal type 2. Then you can click on check mark to accept the text. Then you have a separate layer for your text right here. You can hide the layer. Once you hide the layer, the text is going to be disappear from the workspace. If you turn on this again, the text come back to layer right here. Now